Nikola Tesla's colleagues, engineers among them, often spoke of him as one of the greatest scientists and inventors of all time, likening him to Archimedes and Faraday, and praising him as a great experimenter. Amidst all this, a metaphor was frequently mentioned: Tesla achieved so much because he stood on the shoulders of giants. This primarily referred to great English scientists like Faraday, Kelvin, Crookes, and others. This story, however, presents a different thesis: that these giants were actually his brilliant ancestors. According to Tesla, genius was not just a trait of Nikola Tesla alone, others in his family also possessed it: his brother, mother, grandfather, and more. Preserved in the museum is his grandfather Nikola Mandikes, so-called Trebnik, known in the family not only as a good priest, but also as a courageous fighter and skilled craftsman. Nikola Mandik, for example, could construct entire peasant carts from wood and iron. He was also renowned for his bookbinding skills. Tesla mentions that at a village fair, his mother once saw a weaving loom, and from memory, she had parts made to assemble one and used to weave beautiful fabrics. Tesla's older brother Danilo was brilliant, and his parents had high hopes for him until a tragic accident prematurely took his life in a fall from a horse. In Tesla's family, where knowledge of orthodoxy was inseparable from life and the foundation and source of all interpretations, genius was seen simply as a gift from God, given for the uncompromising preservation of Christ's commandments and the passing of that task from generation to generation. The flag under which the family had gathered for centuries bore the inscription, "All for faith, faith for nothing."